Wait. So you're telling me you have how many cousins?
27. 27 cousins. Last Christmas, we needed 3 turkeys and a rented hall.
I don't even know 27 people.
And that's just one side of the family.
Oh, this debate is going to be wild. Welcome back. Hello, beautiful humans. Welcome to Listen and Learn English Easy, where mistakes are love letters to learning, and every pause is just breathing room. I'm Sarah, your host, only child and person who can count her family members on 2 hands, including the dog.
Hi, I'm Diego. I'm from Mexico, and I have 6 siblings, 14 aunts and uncles, and so many cousins I literally can't name them all. I tried once. I got to cousin number 15 and forgot the rest.
6 siblings? I can't even imagine sharing a bathroom.
We had 2 bathrooms for 9 people. Morning was war, but also love. Someone always saved you hot water. Someone always made extra eggs. I never ate alone until I moved out. It was lonely. That first solo breakfast.
Oh, Diego. I eat alone every breakfast. I've never thought of it as lonely, just normal. Now I'm wondering what I missed.
And I'm wondering what quiet feels like. I've never had my own room. Ever.
Never?
Never. But I always had someone to talk to. At 3 a.m. When I was scared. My brother Ramon, he always woke up. Always.
Okay, we're starting now. Because I need to understand big families, and you need to understand whatever small families are.
Deal. But I warn you, I think small is sad. No offense.
Oh, it's on. But before we dive into this family feud, I need to ask you something real. Are you watching this from a house full of noise, wishing for quiet? Or from a silent room, wishing for noise? Family makes us feel guilty for wanting what we don't have. We're going to talk about that.
So smash that like button. Help other family confused humans find us.
Subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy. We're building a family here, where big and small both belong. When we hit 100,000, I'm having Diego's actual family on the show. All 9 of them, via video call.
My mother already said yes. She wants to cook for you virtually.
I accept. Most importantly, comment. Tell us, are you from a big family or a small family? What do you love about it? What do you resent? What's a family word in your language that English doesn't have?
Last week, someone taught us komorebi, Japanese, sunlight through trees, but also family warmth. I loved that. Teach us your word.
Our comment section is therapy. No be grateful for your family toxic positivity. Only real love, real frustration, and real support. Join our family. Okay, Diego, I have my own apartment, my own bathroom, my own thoughts, without someone asking, "What are you thinking?" every 5 minutes. I can breathe. I can be me.
But Sarah, who hears you breathe? In my family, someone always knows. If I'm sad, before I speak. If I'm happy, they celebrate louder. When my abuela died, I didn't tell anyone I was crying. They already knew. They came. All of them. 20 people in my parents' house. No one asked. They just held me.
When my grandmother died, I cried alone. I thought that was strong. Now I think it was just lonely.
Sarah, strength isn't solo. Strength is letting people hold you. Can you let someone in, or does your space become walls?
I don't know. I've had walls so long, I don't know if they're protection or prison.
Maybe both? Can I tell you something heavy?
Please, this is safe.
In big families, you're never just you. You're Marta's son, the smart one, the one who should be a doctor. I wanted to be an artist. My father said, "Diego, artists starve. Be a lawyer. For the family." I said yes. For 10 years. I was miserable and guilty for being miserable because they sacrificed for me.
Diego, you mattered. Your happiness mattered, not just your success. In small families, you're everything. The only hope, the only grandchild. If I fail, I destroy the legacy. I became a perfectionist because I had no one to share the weight with.
So we both had pressure. Just different flavors?
Yes! You were drowning in people. I was drowning in expectation. Both drowning.
I never thought small families had pressure. I thought you were lucky. I'm sorry I judged.
And I'm sorry I thought big families were just chaos. They're love in loud packaging.
Can I teach you something beautiful? Family words in Spanish. They feel different.
Yes, teach me.
Sobremesa. The time after eating, when you stay at the table, talking, laughing, being together. No rush. English has no word for this. You just leave?
We say, let's clear the table. Functional, no soul.
And estadounidense, American, is neutral. But gringo can be affectionate or insulting. Family teaches you tone, context, love in the same word as anger.
Diego, you're teaching pragmatics, language and culture, in relationship. Did you see that? From I have many cousins to linguistic anthropology.
I didn't know I was smart in English. I thought I was just talking about my mom.
That's the smart. Real talk, real feeling, real language. What if we need both family sizes?
Both?
Big families for belonging. Small families for knowing yourself. Chaos for love. Quiet for growth. Maybe the perfect family is chosen, not just born.
Like familia versus comunidad. Family is blood. Community is choice. But both are home?
Yes! Diego, you're a poet.
And you're family now, whether you like it or not. My mother adopted you already. She said, that Sarah, she needs feeding.
I do need feeding. I need family, however it comes. Let's capture Diego's emotional family vocabulary. Sobremesa, after meal together time, Spanish concept. Belonging, feeling part of something, big family gift. Walls versus protection, boundaries that can become prisons, our metaphor. Familia versus comunidad, blood versus chosen family, his beautiful insight.
And only child, not lonely child, different.
Perfect. Challenge. Comment with a family word from your language that English doesn't have. We'll try to feel it. Now I want something real from you.
In the comments, tell us, does your family make you feel free or trapped?
Do you disappear in a big family or drown in a small one? What role were you forced to play? What family word heals you?
I used to feel trapped by my big family. Now I know they held me. Your family feeling is valid. Big, small, chosen, or searching.
And if you're estranged from family, comment that too. We'll send you chosen family love. You're not alone.
Subscribe. At 100,000, my actual mother cooks actual tamales and teaches Sarah Spanish family words in real time.
I need this, the tamales and the mothering. Diego, you came in with 27 cousins, and you taught me that family is not a number. It's showing up. How do you feel now?
I feel understood. Not too much or too loud, just right. And I said it in English.
You owned this language. You owned your huge, beautiful, chaotic family. Whether you're one of many or one of one, you are perfect. Keep speaking your family truth.
Like this video if family confuses your heart. Subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy for more permission to define family your way. Comment your family story. We read every one.
Next week, foods that grandmothers make. Diego's abuela's recipe for mole, with 20 ingredients and infinite love.
She cooks for hours. No recipe, just memory. She'd make you stay for sobremesa. Hours. No phone, just us.
I think I need that. I think I need her.
She already loves you. She saw your video. She said, that Sarah, she's familia now.
Tell her gracias. Tell her I'm coming for the tamales and the hugs. This is Sarah, signing off with a heart full of chosen family.
And this is Diego, proudly one of 9, proudly understood.
Keep learning easy.
See you next week.